This is the DJI Action Camera 2. It's the size of half of a GoPro, has a nice alloy body and a very minimalistic look, insanely lightweight at about 56 grams, that's the weight of 9/4 or 2 AA batteries, and I'll be going on a run with it today. I won't be wasting any of your time, so if you'd like to jump straight to a certain clip, I'll leave the timestamps up right here. You'll get to see the Horizonsteady, Rocksteady, or any specific resolution. If you're new here, my name is Al, and I go over health tech, gadgets, apps, I test them, go over them, so if you're into that sort of thing, you know what to do. Before I begin, I do want to show you that I will be mounting this on a head strap. This one's from GoPro, I'll attach the link down below in the description. While making this video, DJI has announced that they are making their own version on this, but it has yet to become available on their website. So it is 8 a.m. here in Georgia. So this could serve as an audio test. Let me know. Give me a thumbs up if you guys can hear this video. And yeah, supposedly this could serve as a vlogging camera. It has 4 microphones inside the DJI Action 2. So I'm gonna mount this with my GoPro strap right up here on my head. Gonna run 7.5 miles. So let's go.
Starting run.
Mile 1 complete. (1080p) 30 frames per second Horizonsteady. We're going uphill, baby.
morning. Mile 4.73. Almost mile 6.5. Let's go. Easy. Six at 0.47. Let's go, let's go. Yeah.
Previous mile in 10 minutes, 47 seconds.
That's gonna be 7 miles. Right now on the Rocksteady or Horizonsteady. I'm not really sure, but we're just testing to see how the microphones, how everything sounds, if it's pretty shaky or if the footage is pretty, if it's still.
So that completes an 8-mile run. We went a little bit further than what I was expecting, but hopefully this footage kind of helps you decide which frame rate you like, which resolution. If you want to get a DJI Action Camera, let me know. If you guys have any questions or want me to do any other tests in regards to the camera or running itself, let me know. Drop a comment below. If not, I'm signing out, gonna go inside and get some food. Until the next one, bye.